Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. Dear students of class 10th, welcome you again very warmly. This is Sadia Kuyum, your English teacher. Today I am going to talk about the sermon at Banaras written by Betty Renshaw, and it has been taken from his book Value and Voice, The College Reader, published in 1975. Dear students, this is the fifth chapter that we are going to discuss today. Let us get started. About Siddharth Gautam. Siddharth Gautam was a philosopher, meditator, spiritual teacher, and religious leader who lived in ancient India from 569 BC to 483 BC. BC stands for before Christ. His reward as the founder of the world religion of Buddhism. He taught for 45 years and built a large following. His teaching is based on his insight into dukkha. Dukkha means suffering, and the end of dukkha to attain the state called nirvana. Nirvana means a state of perfect bliss or happiness. Dear students, since his chief objective was to eliminate human suffering, he had come up with the four noble truths which are the key to eliminate all human suffering. First is life is full of suffering and pain. Second, pain is caused by human desires and ambitions. Third, liberation from pain and suffering is possible. Fourth, there is way to attain this liberation. Now, introduction of the lesson. The sermon at Banaras throws light on the early life of Lord Buddha, who was born as a prince in a royal family. On being exposed to the sufferings of the world, which he was earlier abstinent from, he renounced his princehood and went in search of salvation. After attaining spiritual awakening, he gave his first sermon. Dear students, sermon means religious lecture in the city of Banaras. Banaras is a holy city located on the banks of river Ganga in Uttar Pradesh. Here, by making a woman named Kisa Gautami realize that men are mortal and a wise person should not grieve at what is bound to happen because it only enhances pain and sufferings. اَتہِ دیُت أمۍ گوتم بُدھان بنارسس منٛز اکھ ریلِجس لیکچر یتھ منٛز زن أمۍ کرنو یہِ رِیلایز زِ زٔنۍ سمجھوُن أمِس زنہِ کیٛاہ اوس گوٚمُت أمِس اوس اکھ ٹریجڈی گٔمٕژ اکھ واقعہ اوس أمِس پیش آمُت یتھ أمِس اوس نِچومومُت تتھ پٮ۪ٹھ ٲس یہِ واریاہ زیادٕ دُکھی روزان پتہٕ سمجھو یہِ گوتم بُدھان یہِ کرنو تٔمۍ رِیلایز کہِ یہِ گژھُن وول چھُ آسان یہِ ڈِسایڈِڈ چھُ آسان سُہ چھُ آسان سُہ چھُ گژھان اِنسانس چھُ مین اِز ماٹل امیُک مطلب گوٚو اِنسان چھُ فٲنی یہِ روزِ نہٕ ہمیشہٕ خٲطرٕ کینٛہہ اَکہِ نتہٕ اَکہِ دۄہ چھُ أمِس مَرُن تہٕ وَتھ چھِ یِہٕے کیٛازِکہِ أمِس زَنہِ اوس نِچومومُت یہِ ٲس تَتھ پٮ۪ٹھ ٲس یہِ واریاہ دُکھی آسان گوتم بُدھان سمجھو نہٕ یہِ دُکھی چھُنہٕ گژھُن کینٛہہ یہِ گژھُن وول چھُ آسان تہِ چھُ گژھان واٹ اِز باوُنٛڈ ٹُو ہیپن اِٹ ہیپنٕز یہِ گژھُن وول چھُ آسان تہِ چھُ گژھان اِنسانس پزِ نہٕ زیادٕ دُکھ رٹُن کینٛہہ یہِ اگر وۄنۍ اِنسان أتھی سۭتۍ روزِ یہِ چھِ کران اِنہینٕس یہِ چھِ ہُراوان سٲنۍ پین تہٕ بیٚیہِ سفرِنٛگ أتھی بارس منٛز اوس أمِس گۄڈنیُک لیکچر یُس زن أمۍ بنارس سٹی منٛز دِژاو تہٕ تتھ منٛز سمجھایے أمۍ یہِ زٔنۍ کِسا گوتمی کہِ دُکھ پزی نہٕ ژےٚ ہمیشہٕ رٹُن کینٛہہ چٲنِس نیٚچوِس اوس گژھُن تہٕ سُہ گوٚو وَتھ چھِ یِہٕے. Now explanation of the lesson. Gautam Buddha was born to a North Indian royal family as a prince and was named Siddharth Gautam. When he was 12 years old, he was sent to a faraway place to study Hindu sacred scriptures, and upon returning 4 years later, he got married to a princess. Their student sacred scriptures means holy or religious books. Soon they had a son and they continued to live the royal life for about 10 years. Khandra pat chu emes jawan nicho to 10 wahrin chu yihai life royal life guzaran. The royals were shielded from all the unpleasant experiences of the world until one day on his way to hunt, the prince met a sick man, an aged man, a funeral procession, and a monk begging for alms. These experiences acted as eye openers for him and motivated him to renounce all the loyalty to seek a higher sense of spiritual knowledge. Thank you. This is all about today. Tomorrow, inshallah, we will discuss more about it. Stay home, stay safe. Assalamu alaikum.